When you think of Greece, what springs to mind? If it's blue domed churches, shimmering sea and sunsets, then you're probably thinking of Ia, the most photographed village in Greece. This tour gives you the opportunity to spend some time in this gorgeous village, which is a mecca for artists and photographers. You'll explore with the help of a local guide who'll show you around this labyrinth of cobbled alleyways. With Ia perched high on a cliff top, you'll experience some breathtaking views of the deep blue Aegean Sea. And of course, you'll have the opportunity to photograph those dazzling whitewashed churches. Moving on, you'll visit one of the island's wineries to discover why Santorini is so popular for wine production, thanks to its rich volcanic soil. You'll be invited to sample some of the wines and traditional local snacks before your tour concludes in Fira, the island's capital. Here you can take the cable car back down to the port at your own leisure, giving you one more opportunity to soak up those romantic caldera views.